Hi, this is Anna, and you are on the Crochetclubstore channel. Today, we will be crocheting adorable baby mittens without a thumb. The mittens are stretchy and easy to put on, and the soft, elastic cuff helps keep them from falling off. The mitten length is 8.5 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. It's suitable for baby from 0 to 3 months. This is a super quick and easy project that even a beginner can handle. In less than an hour, you will create warm, soft, and cozy mittens that will keep your baby's little hands warm. The written instructions for making these mittens, as well as instructions for other sizes, are available on my website. The link is in the description below the video. Let's get started. In this project, I used the Alize Merino Royal yarn. This is 100% merino yarn, 100 meters per 50 grams skein. You need 30 yards in total. Also, I used 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. So, let's get started. We will crochet the main part in back and forth rows, and then join it with a single seam. Start with slip knot and make 19 single crochets.
When that sleep won't come and you've cried your sum, let it come.
Don't tighten the chains too much. We need them to be fairly loose.
I see you smile just below those eyes that tell me you're okay. It's written on your face. As you come to light, I come alive. Your silhouette in the summer sky. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
Make one height adjustment chain and start crocheting the first row. Insert hook into the second from the hook back loop and make slip stitch. Make 6 slip stitches more. Please note that we crochet all rows in the back loop only.
Turn your sorrow in, burn every piece of it. Let me comfort you, I'll be your go-to. 'Cause these are youthful days, we will grow in
Great, we have made 7 slip stitches. Now we will crochet 9 single crochets in the back loop only.
You must know that I love you so. Never bargain you for your weight in gold. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. If you're seeing through a single eye, you're missing half of what this world looks like.
Take your time and crochet loosely. This will make the fabric more elastic.
There is more, and I know that it's yours and mine.
Crochet 3 slip stitches into the last 3 chains.
But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
Make 1 chain and turn the work.
This is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
Start crocheting the second row. Insert hook into the second stitch from the hook into the back loop only and make slip stitch.
It can only get better.
Make 2 more slip stitches.
Is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
Well, now crochet 9 single crochets back loop only.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd.
Make 7 slip stitches also back loop only.
Far from ever feeling lost with me. is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost
Make
among
one
the
chain,
crowd.
turn the work and start crocheting the third row the same way as the first row.
Everywhere you go, I'll be.
7 slip stitches, 9 single crochets and 3 slip stitches. All stitches crochet back a loop only.
You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's a furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry. The hit goes but why? Where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me. I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love.
Okay, I have shown you how to crochet the 2 main rows. And now you can continue on your own until you have a total of 26 rows. Alternate between rows 1 and 2. Pause the video now and come back here when you're done. Okay, you crocheted 26 rows, and now we'll assembling this part. Hold the first and last crocheted rows together. Insert hook into the back loop of the one side and into the front loop of the other side. Yarn over and make slip stitch. Repeat it till the end of the row. Do not work too tightly it too much. The seam should be elastic.
Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go, I'll be. Anywhere you go, I'll see. Even in the autumn breeze, when the trees are shaking off their leaves, you're never lost among the crowd with me. When that sleep won't come and you've cried your sum, let it come to you. There's nothing you can do until I see you smile just below those eyes that tell me you're okay. It's written on your face. As you come to light, I come alive. Your silhouette in the summer sky. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. Turn your sorrow in, burn every piece of it. Let me comfort you, I'll be your go-to. 'Cause
This is the seam we got.
we will grow in great, worse or better.
Cut the working yarn, leaving the long tail approximately 15 centimeters or 6 inches.
I love you so, never bargain you for your weight in gold.
This is what the seam looks like from the other side.
Only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure.
Thread the yarn tail into a tapestry needle.
It can only get better. If you're seeing through a single eye, you're missing isn't half of what this world looks like. In a sea that only feels half time.
Thread the needle through all stitches as I shown.
That it's yours and mine. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. This is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
Pull the yarn taut. Thread the tail one more time.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound
And secure the end.
the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulsing
This
shock.
is such a soft and elastic mitten.
It's the sharpest cry. The hit
By analogy, tie the second mitten to make a pair. If you like the video, like it and share it with your knitting friends.
far from ever feeling lost.
You can add the set with a cute hat with ears and a pair of socks in a single color. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Text versions of the instructions are available on my website. All links are listed in the description under the video.